Hello everyone, it's Radiras. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve an issue about Origin browser, which I encounter this issue after quitting Apex Legends, after closing the application. So after closing it, this message shown up, and it says the cloud save data for Apex Legends does not match the data stored on this computer. And the headline is cloud save conflict. First thing is, don't click any of these, not use cloud data nor use local data. Just click cancel. Then open Origin. When you open Origin, just on the upper left side, click Origin, then application settings, then installs and saves. It should be open and shown in a green bar in your application. Just disable it and automatically it saves the change. So it should solve your problem. And the second option, if your issues is still not solved, make a clean boot. It would solve your problem. But before that, don't forget to make a reboot point, just in case. Thanks for watching.